Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor, and I've worked thousands of cases. I worked for IRS 10 years, so you're listening to someone who worked at the IRS, so it's important you listen to the things I've said. I've written a book, by the way, IRS Settlements. That's not what I'm talking about. It's available on Amazon. I give it a plug. You don't make any money from writing a book, but this isn't a cut and paste. We wrote this book, myself and Peter Salinger. Anyway, I want to talk to you today about payroll tax debt. I work these cases for the Internal Revenue Service. So if you owed IRS 941 taxes back in the day, I'd be the person going out to your office. I'd show you my commission, and I'd want to see your books. I'd want to see your office. I'd want to see all these things to make a decision whether I'm going to keep your business open or not. It's important you listen to what I have to say, because this is how IRS is going to work your case if you owe back payroll tax debt. So IRS, first two things they want to know is, did you file all your returns? Boom, boom, boom. Are you making current estimate payments? By the way, if anyone owes back taxes and you're hearing this, IRS wants to know, at least draw a line in the sand, and from now on pay your taxes forward. And this way we'll work on the back debt. That's important. Everybody knows that. This way IRS knows they can work with you because you're current on your taxes. That's this quarter, this time. So if you don't have I'm going to give you a financial statement. I want a 433B. That's the business financial statement for IRS, and the 433A, which is the individual financial statement. Anyway, with those two in, IRS will make a determination as to whether they're going to tell you to go out of business. They may tell you we're going to shut you down, or they may say, hey, let's work out a payment agreement, or you may be able to get an offer and compromise. Your current financial statement that you give them is going to determine what IRS is going to do with you. So if you don't know what IRS is going to do with your financial statement, how they may change it, how they may revise it because you're presenting something different than what they're looking at, then you're going to have a problem with them. Now, some of you just may be doing everything right. You just can't pay your bill. IRS is still going to want to know, what is your exit strategy to take care of this? That's what I'm good at. We work large cases. If you need me, I'm available. But remember, your current financial statements that you give them, both personal and business, is going to determine the outcome of your case. And more important, make sure you start making federal tax deposits as soon as you can to stay current. Give me a subscription. I always tell you the truth. Thank you.